Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. I feel like I haven't filmed a video in so long, even though I have. I just feel like I haven't started one off kind of like vlog style in a little bit. But I just got a package from Amazon and I'm going to show you guys and do a little bit of a nail tools and accessories haul because I have been obsessed. I'm sorry if you guys can hear the wind. There's literally like a wind storm going on right now. It's crazy. But anyway, I have been spending so much money on nail art and just like nail tools and just a bunch of nail stuff because this has become like one of my favorite new hobbies. And not gonna lie, I have like a new hobby every few months that I'm like die hard about and then I end up forgetting about it, but I think I'm gonna stick around with nails for a while now. Did you guys hear that? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this stuff. I'm also gonna show you guys how I remove my gel nail extensions in this video as well, so stay tuned for that. But let's see what I got. I already know what I got, but I'm gonna show you guys what I got because I'm so excited. I'm mostly excited because I got this nail dust collector, which is going to make taking off my nails such a less messy process, because that is the messiest process ever, trying to file off your nails. But this should hopefully make it easier. All right, I'm just gonna start with the little stuff that's here on the side of the box. Okay, so the first thing I got are these little red nail gems, and I wanted these because my next nail design is going to be like a cherry design, and I'm really excited about it. I even got these earrings, so I just bought these. They're like wooden with little studs on them. They're super cute. And I bought these cherry earrings. Where are they? I bought these little cherry earrings. These are so cute. I'm envisioning like a whole photo shoot, so I'm really excited about this next nail look. It comes with a little wax pencil to pick up the gems and a little tweezer to pick them up as well. I like how they come in a bunch of different sizes too. It's not like all one size, so you can do a bunch of different things with them. This reminds me of like a Hot Pocket. I don't know why. Well, I do know why, but I can't get it out. So here are the little gems, a bunch of different sizes, which is really cool. Yeah. Next, I got, I believe this is a little palette. Oh wait, no. Okay, this is the nail adhesive tabs because I want to try doing my own press-on nails because I don't really have many people to practice on. So I feel like doing press-on nails would be much easier and just give me more chances to like practice different nail designs and whatnot. These smell really bad, I'm not even gonna lie. It actually just smells like glue, which makes sense because they're adhesives, but this has, how many pieces in here? This has 1,200 pieces, so these are little press-on nail tabs that you can put under your nail tip and just adhere it to your nail instead of using like nail glue, which I thought was really cool. I feel like it's better for your nails probably. But yeah, little nail tabs. What else did I get? Oh, and I got some cuticle bits because I have been struggling with doing like my cuticle care and all that stuff, and I have been like destroying my cuticles trying to just use whatever I have. So I figured I'd buy the real deal stuff. I mean, I don't know how real deal this is, and I hope it has everything that I need. So it has some cuticle bits in there. Yeah, I'm really not sure like how to use all these tools. I really need to do some research so that I can actually properly do my cuticle care, but these are all the little cuticle bits. And then I just got this little coaster thing, which I am going to be using as like a paint palette to put my polishes down. I usually just use like a cap or something, but I thought this looked really pretty and it would look cute just sitting on my desk. And lastly, we have our nail dust collector. I'm so excited for this. I didn't realize how big it was though, or maybe it's just the box. So yeah, this is what it looks like in the box. I'm gonna open it. It does say it's from Lavinda or Lavinda. They have an Instagram, Lavinda_official. I did purchase all of this on my own. Nothing was sent to me, not sponsored. I'm just sharing what I got. But, oh, this is so much bigger than I thought. It's kind of big, but I like how it's not like really thick. It's kind of thick, but not that thick, and I like that. It almost looks like one of the vacuum robots. She's pretty. And there was an all white one, and I chose to get the pink one. Ooh, this is really cool. So it comes with the nail dust collector. It has a filter in there, and then there's another filter. And then, what's this? Oh, a little brush to wipe off the dust. It's so cute. And then lastly, just the little outlet or the little cord to plug it in. So that is everything that I got from Amazon. I'm really excited to take off my nails so that I can use this dust collector and these little cuticle bits. You guys, look what I just freaking did. I literally spilled all of the gems on the floor. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna collect them, but now they're not gonna be neatly organized, so oh my god. Hey guys, so I already took off my nails, but I just got this package that arrived way sooner than I thought, so I figured I would include it in this video. And this is actually the gel paint pots that I ordered. So these are gonna be really helpful for like nail art and doing a bunch of nail designs. So I actually got 2 different packages of gels, and then I also got some nail art line brushes. This is from the brand Beetles Gel Polish. Oh, these are pretty. I don't really even remember what I picked out, but these are like rhinestones. Look at these. Those are pretty. Let's open this one. And then they're just like, they're kind of a bunch of different sizes, but they're pretty much all like thin little nail art brushes. I really like that they come with caps. That's super cool. So this set actually has 36 colors, which I'm so excited about. And the reviews on this package or this set was so good. So I feel really good about this purchase, and I hope they do not disappoint. And this is what it looks like outside of the package. Look at all these colors. I'm so excited for this. And I love how everything has like a kind of like a little swatch on it already, so you know what you're picking up. So they don't have color names, they just have numbers. So this is blue, but it's number 30. And then this is white and it's number 23. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this blue one and see how it looks. They have a little seal here. It's such a pretty color. Okay. I don't know why I smelled that, but it doesn't smell good. And the reason I bought a second package is because I wanted to have metallics. I really, really wanted a gold gel paint, like a thick gold gel pot paint, yeah. But I couldn't find any. I was gonna get one off Young Nails, but everything was sold out. So I ended up finding this kit, and I believe this one has gold, silver, like a blue metallic and a red metallic. And this one is actually from Savvyland. How do I open this? Oh, ooh, fancy. Okay, so I have gold, silver, red, white, blue, and black. So that is really good. I'm gonna open this gold up and see how it looks. This one is so much harder to open. All right, that's as good as it's gonna get right now. So that is the gold. That is perfect. That's exactly what I was looking for. So I'm so excited to try this one out, and all of these colors, honestly. So stay tuned for more nail videos coming very, very soon. I feel like my nail videos aren't really that popular here on my channel, but I love doing them, and I mean, hopefully you guys start to enjoy them a little bit more as well. But anyway, if you made it this far, thank you for watching, and stay tuned because I'm gonna show you guys right now how I took off my gel nails. Hey guys, so for my nail removal process, the first thing I like to go in with is my nail tip cutter. However, this one broke. This is the second one, the same exact one that broke after like 2 uses. So I don't even know why I repurchased this. I ended up having to go in with a regular nail clipper to cut off the tips of my nails. So cutting off the tips of your nail, all that extra length, as long as you're not cutting off your natural nail, will save you so much time when it comes to soaking, because you don't want to sit there and soak off all this extra gel when you can literally just cut it off. So I'm gonna go in and cut off my tips as low as I can. My nails are really short, so I pretty much can go all the way down to like almost my nail bed, and that just makes the whole process so much faster. So now that my tips are cut off, I can use my new nail dust collector. The first thing I'm gonna do is file off the top few layers of gel polish. This will also just help you save time, and it will help the acetone just kind of break through the gel tip that much quicker. I am wearing soft gel nail tips, so they're completely soak offable. So what I'm doing now is just going to make the process a little bit quicker. You don't have to do this. You also don't need a nail drill. You don't need a nail tip cutter. These are just things that make the process quicker, but you can use a nail buffer, a nail filer, or just use that extra time to soak your nails. I also really did like this nail dust collector. It was my first time ever using one, and it just made the cleanup process that much quicker because there wasn't dust flying everywhere. I didn't have to clean up a huge mess after I was done filing my nails. So this really came in handy. The noise from the fan itself wasn't even that loud. Like, it wasn't super annoying. And also I just feel like this is a really cute dust collector that it'll just look nice sitting on top of your desk and won't look like an eyesore. So I really did like this, and I'm so happy that I purchased this. But now that I filed got through all that gel, I'm gonna go ahead and soak my nails in pure acetone, and this will just help break down that gel polish and the gel tip. And I'm using one of these little manicure bowls that have the little indents so your hand sits very comfortably in the bowl. But yeah, I'm gonna let this sit for like 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna go in with my cuticle push backer thing slash gel scraper. I don't know, it has two sides to it, and I use this side for both. So I'm just gonna scrape off that gel that has become super soft after soaking in the acetone. And after the first 20 minutes, it doesn't get everything, so I just scrape off as much as I can, and I don't apply too much pressure where I'm like scraping my nail bed. I'm just applying slight pressure to pick up only the gel that has already kind of dissolved. And after I scraped off everything that I could for the first round, I'm going back in, I think it was like 5 or so more minutes, and soaking my nails back in the acetone and scraping off the rest of that gel. And now I'm going in with a nail buffer just to get off any of the remaining gel residue that stayed on my nails. And I'm going in with my nail file again, my e-file, and I have a fine grit sanding band. So super safe for your nails. I'm not applying a lot of pressure, just trying to polish and make sure that my nail beds are nice and smooth. And then of course, I'm just repeating this whole process to my other hand. I guess you can kind of do both hands simultaneously. I just do one by one since I only have one little bowl. And this is a little close-up of what the gel looks like once it starts to dissolve. And that's pretty much it for the gel removal process. Now I'm getting into my cuticle care, but I'm honestly not going to get too in depth in this process because I still need to perfect this, and I don't want to put like wrong info out there. And by the way, I'm not a professional, so anything that I talk about on this channel is coming from my own experiences, and I only will really share things that I am 100% comfortable with doing on myself, whether that's my hair, my nails, my skin, or whatever. This part is really experimental for me, so I'm really not even going to talk about it, but I just wanted to try out these little cuticle bits that I got from Amazon I showed you guys earlier. I still need to mess around with this process and hopefully have like an in-depth nail prep cuticle care video coming out really soon once I get a better hang of what I'm actually doing. So yeah, I just did what I thought would be good for me in the moment, and I was just testing out some of these little cuticle bits. And then lastly, I'm just oiling up my cuticles to keep them nice and hydrated. And that is pretty much the end of this gel removal process slash mini nail art and tools and accessories haul, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you look forward to more nail videos on my channel. If you're one of the people who requested to see the removal process in a full video, shout out to you and thank you for your feedback. Also, if you are not subscribed and you are new here, make sure that you subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.